You are used to going into salons and having someone do your hair, but after watching videos of people doing their hair themselves, you decided to try. Issue is, after cutting the braiding hair, you do not know what to do. I mean, you've seen braiders do that before, but you just didn't pay attention. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you are going to be a pro. After deciding on the length of the braiding hair, I wanted mine in 3, so I cut it, then take 1/3 of the braiding hair. I would recommend you do same. Work with smaller sections. Let me come closer. Hold the hair on one side as close to the edges as possible. Then start pulling on every strand you can grab. I am able to grab more hair now because I am doing this slowly. But if you try to do it faster, you are definitely going to miss some hair strands, and it is no problem. It adds up to the feathering of the braiding hair. Do not hold the braiding hair too tight, or you might find difficulties later. This is the finger placement. If you try to do it without the fingers, it becomes a little bit chaotic. So just place your thumb on the index finger like this. The thumb acts like a separation between the stretch hair and the straight one, and also adds grip on the hair we are stretching so we don't overdo it. The index acts as base to hold all that together. You will notice that I keep the gross amount of hair in my fist and only bring forth the small amount that I add as I pull. Once I finish pulling, I put the hair around my 2 fingers for security so I don't lose too much hair. Then I start brushing it from the ends, just as I detangle my natural hair. More than 50% of you watching my videos are not subscribed. I can't help but wonder why. That was for the first side. Just take a look at the difference. Now we are going to do the same thing on the other side. If you held your braiding hair too tight while pulling it, this side may cause issues because you probably created too many tangles. Open the hair up as you brush to give you easier access to the tangles. Next thing is to add petroleum jelly or any butter-like product you have. This is to hold the hair together and add shine. Massage it in well. Then brush it to spread the jelly evenly. To spread it as evenly as possible, I mean. Just do the same thing for the other side and voila. My next video is going to be how I use this braiding hair for knotless box braids on myself. But while waiting, look at how I prep my hair. Bye.